organize my messy everything drawer. In this drawer, I keep my pants, my gym pants if I'm going to exercise, my exercise tops, my short pants that I stay home with, and a bunch of other things. So it's like an everything drawer. We're going to empty it and help me organize. This drawer has everything. I have two piles to work with. I'm going to work with this pile here. As you can see, there is a doily in there. There is a half slip in here. Doily, half slip. They're like everything. Gloves. When I want to treat my hands, I will put the lotion on at night and then I'll sleep with the gloves. My hands look baby-like in the morning. Try that if you haven't tried it. Before you go to bed, the last thing you do before you go to sleep, put a thick lotion or even Vaseline or castor oil and then put a glove. And next morning when you wake up, you will see how beautiful your hands and fingernails look. Try that. But in this pile, I have all of this. And the second pile is what I took out from my socks drawer. You can check that video. So I'm going to fold everything nicely and fix it, and what don't belong, I'll take it into the garage. Let's organize. I have my afro today. Okay, I want that drawer to have these pieces of short pants and my exercise bras. So I'm just going to fold them. See, I have gloves and I have stockings. These are tights, the ones with the design in it. I love those. I should have wear this today. Instead I'm wearing the green. Okay, my little Daisy Duke pants. I'm folding everything so I can put them back so we can have, usually I fold them and I put them in there. As you can see, this one is folded, but it is just in a mess because everything is everywhere now. So I need to refold everything and then put it back properly so everything can be okay. So I can find it because I like organizing stuff. All my stuff is always organized. It's just lately I've been ignoring these drawers and I was like, nope. Since I'm gonna do it, I'll just show you how I do organize. Maybe you might get in the organizing mood and do that for yourself. Or maybe there is organization you need to do and you've been procrastinating. So now you can see that it's not that hard to do. You just have to get motivated. All right? I am here to help. So I'm gonna fold the rest of these. As you can see, I have all different ones. This is like, if you don't want to wear a half slip, you wear something like this under your dress or a skirt. And sometimes I will wear that under one of the short pants if I'm in the house. I won't go out on the street with it, but I won't go out the house with it. But I will put this on and put this on because this is very, very short. So those are the things I do. I have a couple of them. Soon we will see what the organization look like. Let me fold the rest and then I'll show you as I'm putting them back. This is the drawer that I have now organized. The bathing suits are here. The shorts are here. The exercise bras, the exercise pants, the half slips, the exercise tops, and the gloves. Everything is now organized. So get organizing. See how beautiful it looks now? I can just open it and get it. Next, again, organize. Just showing you my organization. I'm organizing these drawers to make sure that they reflect me, because I like to have things organized, like to know where everything is. Every now and then I just throw stuff in there, but now I promise myself to keep it organized because it makes it easier to find what I need.